we are back with another one. Right now I'm headed down to Tacoma, Washington to meet up with a bunch of different cars. The guy Mc.edit, he want to shoot a vehicle shoot with a bunch of cars, so we got a couple spots that we gonna be shooting at. I actually gotta go to work, so I am going to stick around as long as I can, you know, get a little bit of footage for you guys so you guys see some of the cars that came out. I think it's gonna be a good turnout. I think it's about 20 cars, something like that. So it's gonna be a good look. Like I said, I get a chance to get out with the car. The bumper is wrapped, guys. I took it down to my guy Zach at Taylor Garage. He wrapped the bumper, so we're back complete with the full look. But stay tuned, guys. In the future, I want to do something different with the car as far as look wise. But first thing we're doing is we're doing a power upgrade. So after I do these little mod installs with my guy srt.c on Instagram, the guy who put on my brakes and my Legmaker, he's also putting on my exhaust. I'm going cadless, AWE track exhaust, and he's installing my DRS or DRS diff brace, and he's installing my H&R lowering springs. Now once I put all these mods on the car, guys, I'm gonna be putting a link to each mod inside of the video in the description. There'll be a link to every mod that I got on the car, so if you guys want to know pricing, you guys want to know, you know, how much things cost and where you can find it, just look down in the description. Now I'm gonna wait until I got all these other parts installed before I put it down in the description, so give me a little time with that, guys. Be a little patient. You know, I used to do that back in the day when I first started vlogging. Shoot, what has been about 4 years? I think I started in 2019. I started vlogging, so it's been about four or 5 years, guys. So I've been doing this for a while, and I appreciate each and every one of you that continue to still watch my videos. YouTube is definitely suppressing my videos, so you guys don't really see it as much, but there's still some of you that come across some of my videos. So I would say just look for Hellcat TV and it'll pull up my videos. What I need to do is update my you know, the ones that's pinned. I need to update that so you guys see that I am posting new content. I'm back in the game as far as recording. I want to get this thing going again. What people don't know about YouTube is if you stop uploading videos, they will demonetize your channel, and they make it extremely hard to get back to being monetized. So I'm not really worried about the monetized part. I don't do it for the money. I do it because I enjoy it. I got a lot of people that follow me. They hit me up on social media, in person, whatever. Say they've been following the channel for a long time and they want to see me get back to it. So I'm not really in it for the money, guys. I don't really care about money. Like, I make enough money in my day-to-day as far as working. So we in it because I like doing that, like showing you guys content, and I want to get this thing popping out here in the Pacific Northwest, like specifically in the Washington area, because we don't get a lot of love when it comes to American muscle in this area. It's more like a Euro scene, you know, the Subis, stand-style cars, I forgot what you call it, executive cars, you know, with like the Lexuses and all that. It's more of that scene out here instead of like the American muscle, and I want to bring that out. I want to show you guys that we got cars over here. It's just guys are either fully race and they only do those Bremerton race events, or guys are just I ain't gonna say young and immature, but a lot of them, they do that swinging stuff, things like that. I'm not into that. I don't really partake in that. I don't want my car anywhere near that. So that's why I don't show those events, but they're always going on, like people little takeovers, swinging, all that. I'm just not associated with that. In my career field, I cannot associate myself with that. And no, I'm not a police officer, but I do forms of security, and I cannot be seen like that. My car is highly recognizable. I got the biggest banner on my windshield, you know, my Instagram on the side, so the car is easily recognizable. It's only one of like maybe 2 cars that are like matte black over here, but you know, my white little touches distinguish my car. But yeah, so I can't associate with those videos, but I mean, every now and then, you know, I get a little bit in, you know, a little highway action. So I like to bring that to you guys. And like I said, we're gonna be turning up the power, hopefully into January. Already got Juan, he's gonna be doing the installs of all the parts, and we're gonna be about 8-ish, like 810 to 830 wheel horsepower. Excuse me, but yeah, so we're gonna get some more power. And I told him the goal is 1,000 plus, but who knows? What if I get to 830, 840, whatever it is, and I'm like, I'm cool. Then maybe switch the fuel and see where we at. But he wants to go all the way, like I told him. So he wants to do the cam, he wants to do the fuel, like everything. So these Hellcats, man, it costs a little bit of money, I'm not gonna lie, but you can get some serious power for, like, I don't know, 15 to 20 grand. You can get some serious power in these cars. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about turning the car up, and then after we turn it up, that's when I'll go to the appearance, as far as maybe like a partial wrap, just to distinguish myself even more, because I don't want to get confused for my car club mate Dejan. Like I say, he got the matte black Hellcat, but his non-wide body, but still people see his car, think it's me, see me, think I'm him. I'm not, and he's not me. So we got to change that up, and we will in due time. So I ask you guys to be a little patient with me with the channel. There's a lot of things that I'm considering in the works, just to bring a little bit more excitement to the channel. So I hope you guys like everything, and just stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can see it, man. We got some good air intake temps. It's in the 70s, like 80. So I bet if I accelerate, it'll be some good temps. So yeah, it's good boost weather. What up with you? Yeah, of course. Let's get it done. I've been fashionably late after I recorded already. Huh? Bro, I got like almost 4,000 subs, but I stopped for 2 years. So that was my problem. I had a good little momentum, and then I stopped for 2 years. We took over the gas station. Yeah. Yeah, we super deep, man. It's deep out here.